Hi everyone, I want to show you a few things. So this is Google Drive. You all have access to a Google Drive, and I think it'd be a great idea to make a new folder and where you can place all of our awesome work that we will do this quarter. So you go here to this button where there's a plus sign, it says new, you click on new and you click on folder, and it'll allow you to title the folder however you choose. I recommend US History period 2. Maybe you can add my name or your name or whatever it is that you'd like. Press create and then boom, you have a folder. I also want to show you, if you go to our Canvas page, this should be familiar, and you click on the left side on modules, you go down, this is just an example. This document here, which is a Google slide, you're not going to be able to open it because, or you're not going to be able to work on it because it is mine. So you click on that, it opens this. This is my Google Drive. Yours, when you click on it, around here on the left side, it'll say something like view only. So you'll need to make a copy so that you can write on here. Okay, so you go here to File, click on File, go down to Make a Copy, and click on Entire Presentation or Selected Slides, whatever it is that you need. And you can title this document however you need. You can put it into the folder that you just made, which is really awesome. Click OK, and then you're going to want to share it. Once it is all filled out and you are ready to go, you click Share, and it will show you exactly who you can share it with. You can add someone in particular. For our purposes, you want to go down to the very bottom where it says Get Link and just press Copy Link. Boom, link has been copied. You are done here. You can go back to Canvas, and up here, the big blue button says Submit Assignment. You click on Submit Assignment, and right here, you just press Control V to paste, or you can right click or left click. I don't know, I don't click on my computer. You just click it in, press Submit Assignment. You can add any comments here if you'd like. Press Submit and you are good to go. I hope this has been helpful. Bye!